So in the previous session, we saw how to display data in the Smartform. We did the designing and then we called our Smartform in our ABAP program. We also use this function module to know the name of our function module of the particular Smartform. Now, if I open my Smartform, not this thing, recipe logo. Smartforms. Yeah, my Smartform. Change. So what was our requirement? Let me open that file first. This was our requirement, right? We have displayed all these 6 parts. If I execute my Smartform, any employee ID value 102, execute our output device and then print preview. So till now we are able to display our Smartform like in this format. Now we will see how to add this logo. Okay, so how to add the logo. How to add logo in Smartform. How to add logo in a Smartform. So we can also upload our own logo from AC73 transaction code, sorry, AC78 transaction code, and then we can use it to display. We can upload our own logo and then we can use it to display our logo. So if you check our Smartform, we have created here 6 windows. Now I will create one more window in which I will display my logo. So I will go for page, right click on page, create new window. Okay, I will create new window here. Let's give a short description for it. So it will be logo, and let's give a perfect position for it. Yeah, okay, and I will save it. So I have created a window for our logo. Then I will go for my window and I will create a logo here. So right click on the window, create, and you will see that there is a graphic option. This graphic is used to add the logo inside the window. This graphic is used to add the logo inside the window. Now you can select your windows from here, go for F4 help, and I will check for the logo that is available. So it's SAP. Lots of logos are available here, right? I will select this SAP logo, and black and white, no, let's make it color format, and then resolution, uh, any resolution, let's say I'm selecting 200 and I will activate it. Okay, let's go and check. So I will re-execute my Smartform function module, execute. I will pass the value 103 and execute it. Output device here, print preview. Graphic cannot be displayed. Why? Why graphic cannot be displayed? There is some problem. Okay, let's try black and white. Is size causing any problem? Okay, go back, re-execute. 101, execute it. LP01, print preview. Okay, so this logo is very big. That's why it's causing problem, and its format is only black and white. So if I check only color bitmap image, I only want colorful SAP. Okay, so in colored format we have got, let's try this SAP underscore logo color format and activate it. Go back and go back and execute it again. Pass the employee ID and re-execute it. I will pass LP01 and print preview. Yeah, that looks more correct. So this is how we can simply add our logo. We just need to create a graphics in our window, and then you can check whether it is black and white or it is color format, and accordingly you can give the resolution will define the size of the logo that will be displayed on the output of the Smartform. Okay, this is how we can simply create our logo. We can simply create our logo on the Smartform.